Hi guys, and welcome to another video on this series on the first form of Wing Chun. Okay, on this video I'm going to be going through the second section of the form and just giving you the pattern and basic concept behind it while you're doing what you're doing. Please like and subscribe to the channel, that'd be amazing. Hopefully in the near future I'll be coming out with more of these videos and other videos and high quality also. But yeah, let's get started, okay? So I'm going to be doing this once in front of the camera facing you and once to the side, just so you can see what my hands are doing, okay? So if you watch the first video first, if you haven't seen it already, but we're going to get in the basic ready stance, okay? So you come up, one, bend your knees, and feet come out shoulder width apart, okay? Now from the last video, from the first section, okay, we were doing the first bit with the Tam Zal and this, okay, and finish off with your right hand, Pak Zal, palm in. Now this is where we pick up, okay. So again, going left to right. Okay, you've got your hand come down, strike down, okay, one. This could be gum Zal or pinning hand, okay, two. Okay, then keeping your elbows in tight. Again, I'll do this from multiple camera angles. Okay, comes in, keep the elbows tight as I can. You're doing the same thing on the back. Okay, strike down. Okay, so you come in. So from here, 1, 2, keep the elbows in like this. Okay. Once you're here, come forward again, double strike. Okay. Now from here, okay, we're gonna come up. Okay, it's gonna be left over right. Okay, kind of up to shoulder level. Again, not like this. Okay, not rest on each other. Just kind of a nice, everything parallel, okay? Once you're here, comes out, strike, okay? And then back in, right over left. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Like that. This is a strike. So kind of relax, let it loose, then, okay, hit, back in, right over left, okay? Now this is where it's different because each system will do it differently, and I will be doing it differently because I've kind of learned from several different versions. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and here. Okay, now from here, get the elbows in, okay, like this. Strike double Bill Zal, or Bill G, here, okay, to the eyes. Double Jut Zal, okay, and then double palm strike. Then from here, strike down, gum Zal again, up, and circle, okay? So go through that again, just quickly, okay, from here, 1, okay, 2, jut, palm, okay, and double turn, okay? From here, I'm going to go left Pak Zal, back to the centre palm, okay, same with the right, Pak Zal, centre palm, okay, and that's where we're going to leave this section. Okay, so I'm going to go through it quickly from the side view, and again once quickly for you guys on the front view, okay, so from here, okay, left, 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, okay, back, palm, back, palm, okay, that's it. From the front view, okay, here, 1, 2, left, right, keep elbows in, hit the back, hit elbows in, hit the front again, up, strike, okay, here, Bill, jut, palm, gum, here, double circle, okay, palm, to the back to the centre, palm strike, palm, Pak Zal, palm strike. Being careful not to lock the elbows out. And there we go. Okay, so every system will do it different. This is just to give you my basic pattern of how I do it. And yeah, you can use it as a warm-up. It's a good thing to warm up. It's a good thing to warm up, loosen your muscles first, and then do this form, okay? But yeah, so next video I'll be going through the next section of it. Until then guys, take care and stay safe, and I'll see you then.